Okay, students, this is the number 3, almost the same with just with the one that we have saw in number 2. So there are 13 students in P4, and then there are now we're talking how many fewer boys than girls, right? So it's just the same, right? 3 fewer boys than girls in that class. Okay, so this one is just another way of seeing the same problem. So the question that we need to answer first is the girls. Just now with number 2, we answered the boys first, right? So let's do it again. So these are the parts which are the boys and the girls. Okay, and then we have the whole is the total students. Now, total students we know is 13 students. We have boys and girls. Now, so there are 3 fewer boys than girls in that class. So, fewer boys. Yeah, fewer boys than girls. So, we have how many boys over here is just girls minus 3. Okay, yeah. So this is how do we get the boys? We know that it's girls minus 3. Now, then let's just draw the model. Later the question is we need to answer is the question over here first. Question A, and then boys question B. Okay, so let's draw the model. So we have boys and girls. The models is just the same with number 2, but different question. Right? Question A is about the girls, how many girls. Question B is how many boys. Okay, so let's just draw it first. So this one is the comparison between boys and girls. And then we know there are 3 fewer boys than girls, right? So this one is more girls over here, which is 3. And then we know the total students over here is 13. And then question A that we need to address over here is the girls, how many girls? And then question B is how many boys are there. So let's just do it step by step, okay? So for the A, so we have this one, you see, we have same thing again, right? As we have drawn the models, we only can see 13 and 3 in the model. So how to do it? We need to solve A first, okay? So we need to solve the A first. So if now, in the previous number, we solved the boys first, right? So what we need to do at the time, we just minus this part, and then we have 2 equal parts. Now, our strategy is also almost the same, right? We want to have the equal parts. Now, so for in this case, how to make equal parts from this scenario to get the answer for the A is that we need to plus it. So if we plus 3 over here, let me just draw this dotted bar over here, then we will have the same amount. If I add 3 to this part, to the boys, then the number of boys and number of girls are the same. Now, so this is what I need to do. So step 1, yeah, you see step 1, I have 13 plus the 3, which is 16. Now step 2, okay, after I add, then we have 2 equal parts. Yeah, boys and girls are the same. So what I need to do is 16, the things I have in step 1, the number I have in step 1 I use in step 2, divided by 2 equal parts. Okay, so divide by 2 equal parts, then this is 8. Yeah, so the number of girls are 8. Yeah, and then question B, how many boys are there in the class? So we can see we can use the 8 minus 3 is equal to 5, or we can say 13 minus 8, this one is equal to 5. 13 is the total students, we know 8 girls, then we just minus 8, and then we know the boys, number of boys. Okay, yeah, so this is how we answer the question. And so you see, if I put the number over here, girls over here is 8, you see, and then girls minus 3 over here we have 5. So this is how we get the answer. Okay, so that's all. Hope this video will help you. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. See you again next time.